everyone! Welcome in. My name is Audrey. This is the Tech Bear TB8 sent to me by NLAN Keys, and I'm gonna show you guys how I built this and the different mounting styles you can do with it. So this is a TKL mechanical keyboard kit designed by Tech Bear, and it's currently on pre-order on NLAN Keys site. So the board I have is bluish gray with a silver water ripple weight. This is the standard one, the water ripple. It's very pretty. The one I have is Windows keyless. Like you can see, the Windows keys here are missing. So the PCB on my board is the 1.2mm RGB flex cut, and it's hot swap also. They sent this board to me for free, but all of my thoughts in this video are my own. So let me show you what I did and how I built my board. First things first, let's unbox the Tech Bear TB8. The board comes with top mount screws, gasket beans, foot pads, and gasket strips. Its ball joint mechanism allows you to easily open the board without having to unscrew anything like this. This is the hot swap PCB with flex cuts, and it also comes with pour-in foam and this IPXE switch foam. EPDM case foam is also included, and if you get the wired version, it comes with this gold plate in place of the batteries. The engraved Tech Bear logo inside the case makes it so cute. Here we have the aluminum plated flex cuts with a lot of beautiful gold detailing. And this is the aluminum plate without flex cuts. We start off our build by placing our stabilizers. The TB8 uses PCB screw-in stabilizers, and you'll need to use the 7U wire for the spacebar. You'll need 4 pieces of 2U stabilizers for the 2 shift keys, enter key, and backspace. For a top mount build, you're going to put your gasket pads onto your plate. Next is to secure your plate onto your stabilizers, and now you can put in the switches. It's a good idea to start with the keys with stabs so that you can test your stabilizers before putting everything else in. Now we just screw in the plate to the top case. Carefully attach the ribbon cable, and then you can easily snap the case shut. If you want to do a gasket bean mounting style, just put the gasket beans into the spaces on the plate. Carefully connect the ribbon cable, then put the plate onto the bottom case. One of my favorite things about this board is its ball joint system. So traditionally, mechanical keyboards, you have to deal with a lot of screws to open up your board. But for this one, they use a ball joint locking mechanism. So it's very easy to open and modify if you want to change anything. Like, I didn't have to screw anything. I just pull it apart, and when I'm done, you just snap it back in place, and it's very secure. At $184 US, I think this kit provides a lot of value. It's fully aluminum. It has a very nice design on its weight. It gives you the option to do different mounting styles. It comes with some gasket beans if you want a gasket mounted board, and it also comes with screws if you want to try a top mounted board. I think this is a very, very good starting piece if you're looking to try mechanical keyboards for the first time, since obviously, like, when you're still new to it, you're not that familiar with how a different mounting style would feel or sound. You're not yet sure what your preferences are. So I think this is a really nice starting board to be able to explore a lot of your options for that. I also really appreciate how the light on the right side changes as a caps lock indicator. So when caps lock is off, you have this rainbow light, and when it's on, it just turns white. I hope you guys enjoyed my build of the Tech Bear TB8, and if you have any questions about my build, feel free to comment down below, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video!